So here we are again at the busy Paris Airshow. In terms of aerospace manufacturing, I think the biggest thing to take away from the show is a sudden focus on the whole environmental impact that the aerospace industry has on the environment, and many of the OEMs and engine makers are all thinking of ways of developing new technologies and new aircraft that will really help, and new fuels as well, that will really help reduce the CO2 impact that the aviation industry has on the planet. In fact, they're all falling over themselves to say how good their green credentials are. Aside from that, there's been the usual announcements of orders, perhaps not quite as many as in previous shows, but the development of aircraft also in the regional jet market as well, and turboprop market seems to be something that the industry seems to be putting a bigger focus on it again, and that is also related to the whole environmental issues that surround aerospace. So turboprop planes, off least for short haul flights, offer a much better environmental solution than using very fuel-thirsty jets. So I would say that's the main takeaway from this show that I've had being here this year. But as ever, it's a great place to come and just see the newest technologies, some new startup companies that are coming up with new, very interesting manufacturing solutions, particularly on the digital field, how machine tools can be integrated with one another and produce ever more useful data when they're manufacturing parts. That also seems to be a very, very key development that's happening in the industry. So it's a lot to see, and as ever, a lot to do, and a lot of tarmac to walk around as well.